How's it guys, what's going on? My name is Prashant and welcome to TechSceneZA. Today I've got my hands on the Huawei Y6P, the first of Huawei's budget smartphones post the creation of the Huawei App Gallery. If this is your first time here, you better make sure you subscribe because you're missing out on some awesome content. So at the moment, Huawei is running a special. With any purchase of the Huawei Y6P, you get 2 free gifts, a Bluetooth headphones and a free Bluetooth speaker. So let's dive straight into it and begin with the unboxing. Let's start with the free included headphones. Seems like a pretty nice design. You get an included pair of, an included micro USB cable for charging. Now let's check the headphones. Well, it feels really good. Wow, this is an absolutely amazing pair of headphones. I mean, the cushioning on the cups, absolutely soft. No problems I can see with that. And even the headband seems quite nice. Cushions are extra soft. I think this is a really great product. Thank you, Huawei. Next, let's jump into the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, we can see they've secured it properly. Got a nice strong piece of tape holding the cover together. Wow! What an awesome looking design! Who would have thought of something like that? Wow. Oh! You see that, right? Lights. This is really cool. Absolutely cool. Okay, so we can change the color of the lights. Let's take off the sticker. So underneath you can see the pause, play, next. So you can control your music from the underneath of the speaker. And you can also change the color and the way the lights behave. Wow. This is a great speaker, Huawei. Thank you. On to the main unboxing, the Y6P. At least you know Huawei is secure with their phone. They put two safety straps. So the first thing we met with straight off the bat is the Huawei Y6P. The phone already feels great. I mean, the weight of it and the feel in your hand is awesome. Here's some peel porn for you. Perfect. Absolutely awesome looking screen. Amazing. This is a super cool looking phone. I mean, the black looks absolutely great. I mean, there is one in green as well that we got our hands on, but we're unboxing the black today. So what else do we have in the box? We have a little case. Okay, so we have our micro USB cable for charging. Yeah, micro USB. Just keep that aside. We have our standard charging block. and a free pair of included headphones. So what's in this box right here? We got some documentation and the SIM card removal thingy. So this is a really amazing phone, and when I took it out of the box, I was absolutely blown away by the screen. It literally feels like it's not real. The phone does have a little weight behind it. It's 185 grams, and that's backed with the 5000 milliamp hour battery, which is included with this. So it's running EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10, and unfortunately there's no Google Play services. It does come with a 13 megapixel triple camera setup at the back, and at the back we also have our fingerprint reader. The one good thing, although it's backed by a 5000 milliamp hour battery, the battery is not just isolated to the phone. It includes reverse charging, which is great for this phone because it acts not only as a phone but as a power bank as well. So I think that's a really great feature that Huawei have integrated into this phone. And I'm really looking forward to spending some time with this phone and getting to know it. And then in the coming weeks you'll see a full review of this phone. And I'd like to know what are your thoughts on this Huawei Y6P, because when I say budget, it is really budget. Because my phone, my daily driver, the A7 2018 cost about 4,000 Rand, right? 4,000, 4,700. This phone costs 3,200 Rand with the included gifts, which I think was a steal. The only one problem I see though is with no Google Play services, it is kind of like people going cold turkey, and there's a lot of things that people will find missing in the app gallery. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to spending time with this phone, getting to know it, and then in the coming weeks you'll see a full review of it. I'd like to know what are your thoughts on the Huawei Y6P, and you can let me know in the comments down below. And if you aren't already, get subscribed so you don't miss out on that full review coming soon. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant, and I'll see you in the next video.